All right, Miss Maya. We're going to start with some easy stuff.
Okay.
You got this, don't you? All right, so just like we did last year, I'm going to have you tell me how many dots are on our 5 frames, okay?
Okay. 3, 0, 5, 1, 2, 4.
Very good. Okay, now we're going to move on, and I'm going to give you some number cards, and I want you to tell me how many more you need to get to 5, okay? Let me switch these a little bit. All right. How many more do you need to get to 5?
1, 2, 5, 0, 3, 4.
Very good. All right. So we are going to move on. You think you can do some 10s for me? Yeah, that would be great. And I haven't come to your class yet, but I'm going to come tomorrow morning and we're going to talk about how we can make your brain stronger. Okay? And so one of the ways that we're going to figure out what's going to help your brain grow stronger is figuring out which ones are really easy and which ones you have to think a little bit more on, okay? Because the ones that are easy, I'm not making your brain grow any stronger by giving you easy ones, am I? Yeah, your brain already knows them. All right, so I'm going to use some 10 frames now, Maya, and I want you to tell me just how many dots are on the 10 frame, okay?
Okay.
Have you done any 10 frames in your classroom yet?
No, but we did. Well, we're not like in the math stuff.
Yeah.
We're kind of like learning about math
Good.
because there's new kids.
Oh, there are. So you're probably helping with that, aren't you? All right, dear. Can you tell me how many more dots are on this one?
5, 6, 7, 4, 3, 1, 10, 2, 8, 9, 3.
Very good. All right. Let's see. I'm going to give you some number cards, Maya, and I want you to tell me how many more you need to get to 10, okay?
Okay.
Oh, boy. I'll make sure my 6 and 9s aren't all goofy. Okay.
You can actually get confused on those.
I know.
Because they look such alike, but only it's like 9 upside down 6 and
Totally.
6 upside
I know.
down.
You get kind of mixed up with stuff like that too.
Yeah, a little bit.
A little bit. All right. I gotta get all my X's on my paper here. And that's just telling me that those, your brain didn't have to work very hard to answer, okay?
Okay.
All right. How many more to get to 10?
1, 9, 8, 5, 10, 7, 2, 1.
Could you think about what it looks like on a 10 frame? How many more would you need to get to 10 if you saw it on a 10 frame?
2.
If I showed you, where's my 6? If I showed you that, and I said, how many more?
4.
Yes, 4. So you can put that picture in your head if you get stuck.
Yeah, I was trying to I'm counting back from 8 and 7.
Oh, okay, so you're counting back. Okay, ready? Here's the next one.
6. 0. 3.
All right, Maya, so this is what Mrs. Hively is this is gonna help her a lot, because she's gonna say, oh, it's time to grow Maya's brain. We're gonna work on 2, 6, and 4. How many more I need to get to 10, okay? So I'm gonna put little dots for those, and I'm gonna put X's in the other spots, because that'll tell Miss Hively that, oh, Maya brain already knows how to do those, so I'm not gonna use those. I'm gonna do ones that are only gonna help her brain grow, okay? You did great. Do you think, I'm gonna do one more thing just because I can't stand it. I want to see if you remember any of your doubles from last year. Do you remember doing some of these with Mrs. Liston?
Yeah, sometimes like when I'm with my dad, I'm like 1 plus 1 equals 2, and like I got to share, so like I did one of my doubles.
Oh, that's great. Okay, so let's do a few doubles, okay?
4 plus 4 equals 8. 3 plus 3 equals 6.
Yep, and you know what? You just have to tell me the answer, okay?
10. 4. 0. 2. 12. 14.
What were you using? Were you using what 6 plus 6 was?
Yeah, I was like counting up to.
You were?
Because
Okay.
that's the closest
There you
to
go.
it. Okay. 13. 20. 15.
What if I said, could you use 10 plus 10 to help you solve that?
Yeah. But that kind of confused me.
Okay.
'Cause I said
What's 10 plus 10?
20.
Mm-hmm. And if this is one less, what do you think the answer to 9 plus 9 would be?
19.
That would be one less if this was 9 plus 10. Then you have another one that's one less.
Okay.
So it's one less than 19.
9. Yeah, but I did it a different way. But
Great. You did so good, Maya. You were doing stuff that second graders do. Your brain is growing so strong. It's probably because you practiced with your dad in the car, huh?
Yeah, because we like play summer game where like he said problems.
Yeah.
But sometimes I had to use my fingers because that was confusing.
You did fantastic, my dear. Very nicely done. Your brain is going to get so strong this year. All right. I'm going to walk up with you and we're going to get another friend, okay?
Okay.
All right.